Hello and welcome. This tutorial is going to cover how to add departments into your Client Admin Center. Employee management allows you to add all of your current employees and deactivate any previous employees. To start adding employees, you will need to begin by adding departments. All employees must be associated with a department. To do this, first click on Employee Management. 3 more options will drop down. Click on the Department tab. This will show you all of the departments you currently have, if any, and allow you to create additional departments. From here, you can add a new department, edit, or remove existing departments. Click on the Add Department button in the right-hand corner of the screen. Put the name of the department in the title box. Click Save. This will automatically return you to the department list, and you will see the name of the department you just created.